right, you guys, so we are just placing our little brownie pumpkins in our springform pan. We're gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna grab my mini food processor. This is just a KitchenAid food processor. And I have here some chocolate Teddy Grahams. Now, if you don't want an overly chocolate dessert, you could use the regular Teddy Grahams or just regular graham crackers. But I wanted extra chocolate, please. Okay, kind of use about like half of this box. Go ahead and close this up, and we are gonna make sure this is on chop, and we're gonna chop this up. I just want some crumbs, graham cracker crumbs. This looks just about right. And now we're gonna go ahead and add some butter in here, some melted butter. I'm just gonna slowly add my butter because I don't wanna add too much at once. I'm gonna start with half a stick of butter because we really just want like that pie crust consistency. Check that out. Ooh, okay, maybe just a tad bit more, and then I think this is ready for our springform pan. So a little less than 1 stick of butter should be perfect for our graham cracker crumbs. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and take this off of the food processor. All right, take the blade out, put it to the side, and let's bring back our little brownie filled spring pan. And we're just gonna get a nice amount of these Teddy Graham crumbs in there. Start with about half, and we're just gonna pat that right in there. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and move this to the side one more time. Grab a bowl and a whisk. And then I have here the Jell-O no-bake double chocolate cheesecake. Yep, you heard that right. And we're gonna go ahead, and we have 3 packages here because we want extra thick cheesecake. You can use the regular cheesecake if you don't want it to be too chocolatey. You can make a homemade cheesecake, but this is gonna be an easy no-bake dessert. So we like to keep it easy, and we like to keep it chocolatey. Those 3 packages in there. Now we're gonna add the 1 ingredient it takes, some whole milk, and I have a measuring cup here. We are gonna need 6 cups of milk. Start with the 4, right in there. Ooh, it's filling up to the top. And then 2 more cups. Beautiful. All right, time to whisk this super quick because it does start to thicken up very fast, and we wanna make sure that it can set in our springform pan with those pumpkin brownies, with that Teddy Graham crust. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. We need to make sure all of that liquid gets blended in. You could probably use a hand mixer too, but I left mine at home. I am not in my kitchen today, but that is not gonna take away from this delicious double chocolate, no-bake cheesecake. Ooh, you can find everything I'm using today at Walmart. They have all the spooky stuff, all the chocolate stuff. Walmart has everything. It's my go-to. Okay, let's just make sure we get all of that powdered, blended in with the milk. It smells amazing. It's almost gonna look like pudding, but it's gonna taste like cheesecake. Blended. It is time to put in our springform pan. Very carefully, this is a very full bowl. And we're just going to slowly fill it up. Just like so. I don't want it to be too full. So you could probably do it with just 2 packages of that no-bake. But we're gonna run this to the fridge and let it set for 1 hour. All right, you guys, it has been 1 hour in the fridge. Now, before we snap this open, I am gonna just decorate this just a little bit, just so it's not so boring. It is a spooky cheesecake, so we're gonna grab our sprinkle mix, and we're just gonna do a light little sprinkle of our sprinkles right on top of the whole cheesecake. Oh, this smells like chocolate fudge heaven. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna keep that center open because I have an extra one of those brownies, and I just think that's gonna be so cute right in the center. Ooh, okay, you guys, now for the moment we've been waiting for. Let's snap this baby open. Ooh, came apart so easy. Ooh. Oh my, look at our little jack-o'-lanterns. They are so cute. How fun are these? And they're all around our cheesecake. Ah, just adorable. Okay, it is time to get a slice of this. Yum-y. I'm gonna go for this right here. Oh, get through that crust. Oh, this cheesecake's gonna be delicious. I love the no-bake Jell-O cheesecake, so I know I'm going to love this. Ooh. Oh, look how decadent that looks. With the Teddy Graham crust. Yes, and everyone gets their own little brownie. Come on, I mean, come on. Okay, let's give this a try. Oh my God, so fluffy, so good.